Mansory announces 205 HP carbon-coated snowmobile dubbed the Black Lizard. As a general rule, Mansory doesn't skimp on subtlety. Take a look at the German tuning specialist's extensive catalog and you'll find lavish carbon fiber parts, exorbitant horsepower outputs, and flashy body kits as far as the eye can see. It's a formula for excess that completely transcends make, model, and even vehicle class. Now, in addition to cars, boats, and jet skis, Mansory will be adding a snowmobile to its current lineup of offerings. With dealerships all over the world, Mansory is on a mission to make the world's coolest luxury cars even more special. Mansory initially started out tuning British luxury cars, but the company has quickly expanded its reach. In addition to its ever-growing automotive division, Mansory has also ventured into the worlds of luxury aviation, marine transportation, and even custom armor. In other words, it's both a complete surprise and entirely fitting for the brand that a snowmobile is the next vehicle to join the group. Mansory first teased the Black Lizard on social media over the weekend, and the German tuning specialist has continued to coyly tease things with each subsequent post. But judging by the design and hashtag usage, the snowmobile appears to be based on the Ski-Doo Freeride, a line of extreme snow sleds designed for backcountry exploration. Beyond sharing a few select images and a green-screened placement of the sleds on a snowy surface, Mansory has been fairly tight-lipped about what to expect in terms of changes. The Black Lizard is being introduced as a limited edition model, so we don't expect it to be available until later this season. From the factory, Ski-Doo offers buyers a choice of a pair of Rotax 852-stroke twins, a standard model that produces 165 horsepower and a turbocharged option that produces 180 horsepower, up to 8,000 feet. In characteristic Mansory fashion, the Black Lizard claims to beat both figures, estimating an output of 205 horsepower. Judging by its power, it's likely to be turbocharged, but we wonder how the German team would tune a two-stroke engine, let alone a snowmobile. As you can see, the Black Lizard will also receive a Mansory visual makeover. Unsurprisingly, carbon fiber features heavily in the Ski-Doo's updated design. The use of the material is matched only by the placement of Mansory's own logo. Elsewhere, you'll find a custom waterproof leather seat cover and some loud lime green accents. Both elements hint at the tuner's typical automotive approach. While Mansory releases are always polarizing, there's no denying the tuner's determination. Just when you think you've seen everything Mansory has to offer, the brand produces a snowmobile and, of all things, chooses to call it the Black Lizard.